So, this is the nicest motorcade I've ever seen. Let's watch.
Isaiah chapter 52 verse 6 to 8. Therefore my people shall know my name. They shall know that in that day I am he who speaks. Behold, it is I. How beautiful upon the mountains are the feet of him who brings good news, who proclaims peace, who brings glad tidings of good things, who proclaims salvation, who says to Zion, your God reigns. After weeks spent in seclusion, hidden in the secret place, in God's counsel, in deep prayer for yours and my miracle, Pastor Alph Lukau makes his way to the sanctuary where thousands of men and women await to receive that which God has set for them.
Oh my goodness, Pastor Alph is making his way into the auditorium right now. Family, the atmosphere is charged. The glory of God is increasing in this place. People are tired of mediocre life. People are tired of sickness. People are tired of mediocrity. I am telling you, family, after we are marinated, after we are salted, our lives will never be the same again. Family, we're about to go inside for praise and worship right now. And after today, we will all testify of the goodness of the Lord.
Hosea chapter 12 verse 13. By a prophet the Lord brought Israel out of Egypt, and by a prophet he was preserved. Every time that God wants to intervene in a situation, he will send his beloved prophets. All the strain, the bitterness, and the pain that the saints have been experiencing ceases today. We will see the greatest manifestation of the supernatural power of God like never before. This is God's dwelling place, and today God's appointed servant, Pastor Alph Lukau, ushers God's people into their rest. All glory be to the living God.
I thought it was Obama or Robert Mugabe or something. Is Robert Mugabe still there? Well, I don't know. Wait a minute. Is this not the Pamela Y guy? This is the Pamela Y guy. I swear to God, this is the Pamela Y. Oh, that is the one. Even Queen Elizabeth does not have horses in her motorcade. She doesn't. What makes me so happy is this pastor literally went away to pray for my miracle. And then when he comes, he's prayed for my miracle. Why can't I give him all of my money? I mean, it only makes sense, doesn't it? That's it. I'm going to become a prophet. Dude is Coast Guards. Coast Guards fam. Coast Guards. Man. This dude is polished. He makes the entrance, and all those people are there waiting for the guy to shake their hand. Man, it's like you're in heaven already. But Lukau, why Lukau? Pastor Lukau, why?